thoughts. The first light of dawn crept slowly over the Pride Lands, painting the sky in soft shades of gold and rose. The night's silence still lingered, heavy and uncertain, but something new stirred beneath it, quiet, patient, alive. Kiara stood at the edge of the garden, her eyes fixed on the horizon. She had not slept. While others rested, she listened to the earth, to the breeze, to the faint hope that refused to leave her heart. "This place isn't gone," she whispered. "It's waning." Behind her, Simba watched quietly. The weight of the night still rested on his shoulders. "I've seen many dawns," he said softly. "Some bring light, others only remind us what we've lost." Kiara turned to him. "Then let this one remind us of what we can still save." She stepped forward into the garden. The ground felt cool beneath her paws, the air still thin with silence. She closed her eyes and lowered her head, not in command, not in anger, but in respect. "Thank you," she said to the earth, "for everything you've given us." Nothing happened. Bunga shifted nervously. "Okay." Inspiring speech, but maybe the garden didn't hear it. Kiara smiled gently. Touching wilted leaves with care, stepping around broken stems instead of over them. Each movement was gentle, deliberate. The others, Bolodkian, fully beshed, Ona copying her quiet steps. Kiara stopped beside the still stream and dipped her paw into the water. "You carried life for generations," she said softly. "Please, carry it once more." A faint ripple spread across the surface. Kion's eyes widened. "Did you see that?" The ripple faded, but it had been real. Encouraged, Kiara lifted a fallen flower and placed it back into the soil. "We don't need power," she said. "We need patience." The sun rose higher. A single leaf trembled. Then, another, a soft breeze whispered through the garden, lifting dust and carrying it away. Water trickled. Slowly, sound returned, not all at once, but gently, like a memory waking up. A bird chirped. Smiled wide. "It's working!" Simba felt his chest tighten, not with fear, but with awe. "You didn't force it," he said. "You listened." Kiara nodded. The garden was hurt. It didn't need saving. It needed understanding. The stream began to flow again, sunlight dancing across its surface. Greens spread through the soil, inch by inch. Flowers lifted their heads. Vines reached toward the light. Rye animals emerged from hiding hesitant at first, then hopeful. Zebras stepped closer. Birds returned to the trees. Even the smallest insects resumed their songs. The garden breathed. Simba closed his eyes as the warmth washed over him. "I thought wisdom alone would protect this place," he said quietly. "But wisdom without compassion is incomplete." Kiara stepped beside him. "You taught us that strength isn't about control. It's about care." Hugh felt the familiar glow rise in his chestnut. Loud, not fierce, but steady. "The roar feels different," he said, "like it's smiling." The sun now stood fully above the horizon, its light spilling across the renewed garden. Kiara looked across the living green and whispered, "Every dawn is a choice." The wind carried her words across the Pride Lands, and with the rising sun, the garden chose to live again.